Hey, let's look into FX linking and synchronized effects. I have prepared a little show file here where I have here my fixtures, my common parameters where it's easier to work with. And I also can open here my channel visualizer. And now let's start to do an effect with intensity and a tilt swing together. We start with my 16 fixtures here. Go to intensity, set it to center, and we want to run an effect. So we go to the FX button, set the swing to maximum and the speed to 40%. Now we see that the effect is running. Now we are adding a tilt swing. So we make sure we have selected our tilt parameter here. And now we go to the effect engine. We set up a tilt swing to around 50 and the same speed we used for the intensity effect. Now you see that the effect is running, and I want to use this circle because then it is much more nicer running here. And you see that it's going way too much to the back, so I try to tilt my fixtures a little bit. Let's go with 32%. And now we see that these are running simultaneously. And now I want to link my intensity and my tilt parameter together to have a synchronized effect. For this, I go here in my common parameters and select intensity and tilt. And once we have done this, you see this red rectangle here. That means these two parameters are linked together. And now we can go to the FX timing tab here, and we can run the effect by 16 fixtures. You see what's happening. It's a nicely fading intensity and tilt swing. And now we can use the grouping tool for some nicer effects. And the grouping tool, you have access here directly. And we can use the fan by block of 2, for example. And now we can use the 2, and we have 16 fixtures. 16 divided by 2 is 8, so we can easily use a block of 2 by 8 groups. This is one possibility, but we also can use a block of 4, then it's 4 groups. We have to make sure that we are using the fan section here in our grouping tool. So that is very important, because then ONYX knows that we want to use the whole selection divided into these grouping possibilities. If we are using the first ones, then the effect will run only. We can check this. I can also do let's do off. And if I now use a block of X, and then now I run the effect, then you see that the effect will run only on the first 2 fixtures, because we are using the masks for single selection of these 2 fixtures. So we have to use the fan by section. And if you are using the grouping tool from another way, like here on the top, you have to make sure that if you're running an effect, you have to turn on the fan FX button here. Otherwise, it will only take the single fixtures of the selection for the effect. Okay, then let's look again into these fixtures, and we can try also the fan mirror per X. It's dividing, or it's fanning now the selection mirrored by 2, and then now we can use this amount of 8, and we can get this nice mirrored effect from the outside to the inside. If we have less than 16 fixtures, so let's just start from the beginning, and we are taking 8, for example, and we are using the same thing. Let's go from center, maximum speed 40, and then we do the same thing again, tilt swing around 50, and the same speed and the circle. Now we're tilting up it a little bit because then the effect is running more on stage and not behind the stage. And then let's link these two together. And then we do, oh, I have selected 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, I have selected 9. Sorry for that. But anyway, we can try this also with a unsymmetrical order. And so let's do the grouping tool again. Let's take a block of 2. I know that makes no sense with 9 lights, but you see that this is blocking always 2 lights, only the one in the back. And we also can use mirror per X. And you see that it is doing the same thing. It's quite nice effect running from the outside to the inside symmetrically. But now you have to know if you want to change anything in the effect, like you want to change the pan tilt, swing or whatever, you have to turn off a link and then you can change the parameter here. Let's go a little bit slower. And we also want to change here this. And if we now want to synchronize them again, we have to select these linking parameters. And now we can change the speed for both, or we can make it slower. Yes, so this is it. Synchronizing parameters together with a link button to get a synchronized effect. I hope that helped.